Getting insurance to pay for roof replacement involves a systematic process and effective communication. Here's a brief guide. Review your policy. Understand your homeowner's insurance policy thoroughly. Check for coverage details, exclusions, and limitations related to roof damage or replacement. Document the damage. Document any damage to your roof with clear photographs or videos. Highlight specific areas affected by storms, leaks, or other issues. File a claim promptly. Contact your insurance provider as soon as you notice damage. File a claim promptly, providing all necessary details about the damage and its cause. Get a professional inspection. Have a professional roofing contractor assess the damage and provide a detailed estimate for the roof replacement. Include this in your claim documentation. Cooperate with adjusters. Insurance adjusters may assess the damage. Cooperate with them, providing the necessary documentation, estimates, and access to your property. Review the settlement offer. Once the insurance company assesses your claim, they will provide a settlement offer. Review it carefully, ensuring it covers the full cost of the roof replacement. Negotiate if necessary. If the settlement offer is insufficient, negotiate with the insurance company. Provide additional evidence, estimates, or expert opinions to support your claim. Consider mediation or appraisal. If disagreements persist, consider mediation or an appraisal process if available in your policy. These can help resolve disputes more formally. Document all communications. Keep detailed records of all communications with the insurance company, including emails, letters, and phone calls. This documentation can be valuable if disputes arise.